For what?
Because I gave competitive exam and I passed and got 5 exam. So could you give me 50,000 for that?
Which exam? Did you ask for exam?
I did not ask because your job is your job and my dream job is my dream job. So that's why I filled the form and I got the qualified from here.
And where will you go for job?
I will go at Lucknow.
No. No.
But
You are not going
why?
outside. Learn how to cook best delicious food and you are going to marry.
I know already how can cook the food.
So learn more. Do not go for job. Be here and earning.
So that's why I asked you, would you give me 50,000? Because you are a government job.
You are
Government
right.
job.
You have.
You do government job.
Okay. So, but I am not allowed to work outside.
But why?
It is not good for you.
How can you decide?
And
I
I am
decided.
engineer for you. Don't worry.
But how can I know he will give me money for that? Only you will decide without asking to me.
Yes, as you.
If you will decide without asking me, so I already decide that I will become a successful in my life. I want to stand in my job.
Yes, understand.
Yes, I understand.
Do not go outside. If you want to work, work in Varanasi. But Lucknow, it is not good for you. Okay, and yes, we search a boy for you. They are also not allowing to you.
So I will not do marriage.
And then I will not be. Go.
Yes, let's talk with.
Go.
Yes, mother.
Yes.
Could you tell me, am I part of in my family or not?
Yes, what happened, Alka?
He is not giving me money for the competitive exam because I gave exam. You know already that.
Okay. So let's talk to your brother.
Yes.
Please come together. What happened, Aksar? Why are you
He
not
wants to go
ready
outside.
to give the money?
He wants to go outside.
Then what is the problem?
Outside for female is not good. You know.
I am also female, and if I could not arrange money, how could you get job? Did you think like
But
this?
she's girl and she is going to marry also.
Wait. Mother, if in future he will also daughter, so how can he manage?
That's why I am telling. And now, until I will say, you will not speak. Ready? So let me speak. So Alka, first, can you please be sorry? He is your elder brother. Do you remember one day you had given me thank you note in my coaching? Teacher asked me to give thank you note. So please be sorry. You are talking to your elder brother. Okay, it's okay. And Aksar, as she was right at that place, you are doing government job, you are getting high salary. So please help your sister and show some generosity. Whom are you earning money? If you will not spend your money towards your family, towards your sister, towards me, and so there is no any need to earn money. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Will you pay that fees for her?
Yes, I will pay, but I am caring about her. That is why.
It's okay, Afsar. With money also you can show your care. Otherwise, like she is not showing calmness, she is not being patience. Okay. So Alka, from the next time, as you had come to me after so much fight, please promise me you will not be there in any fight. So
Okay,
will you
sir.
show your patience?
Yes.
Okay.
Next time I will not do this time.
And wisely come to me whenever you need any support. If he is not like helping you or anybody, do not fight. Do not be ready for fight. Just have patience. Come to the people who has an authority. Will you do it?
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you, brother.